Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. Today you're going to learn how to withdraw money from Metamask to bank account. So first of all, you must know that it is impossible to transfer some money to Metamask to your bank account, or at least for me, because I'm in Colombia, so this is not possible with this wallet. So what I must do is try to find a wallet that let me send some money to my bank account. By now I'm going to use Binance. As you can see here, I'm going to be able to make a bank transfer, and that's it. So what I must do is try to send some money into my Binance and then to Binance to my bank account. If I try to send some money from my Metamask wallet, I'm going to need a public address or a QR code. So I'm going into my Binance and I'm going to receive some money with the crypto deposit because we're going to receive a crypto deposit. So I'm going to click in deposit and I'm going to select a coin, in this case Ethereum, because the Metamask wallet works a lot with the Ethereum, not with the Bitcoin. And now the network to use. Here we have the network and I'm going to receive the address or the QR code. So I'm going to click to copy this address, go back to the Metamask and paste the address. Once I have been recognized, I'm going to select the amount of Ethereum that I want to send and how much is the amount plus the gas fee that I'm going to need. Okay, remember that you are going to pay like a commission for this transaction, so you need to write a fewer amount here to be able to pay those commissions. Once you have done that, you must go and click on next, and then you're going to receive your money on the other virtual wallet, in my case Binance. So here the last step, once I have my money here, is to make the bank transfer, to fill all the data that you need with your bank account. And that's it. That's how you can withdraw money from Metamask to your bank account.